Monica Chef here. Welcome back to another video. Today we are making scrambled eggs in the morning. Well, just scrambled eggs in general. But I'm not doing any regular scrambled eggs. I'm doing specifically Gordon Ramsay's scrambled eggs. If you want to go check out his video, click the information card up there in the corner. What you're going to need is some mushroom, tomatoes. He uses small tomatoes, but I don't have small tomatoes. Salt and pepper, butter, olive oil, sour cream, white bread. Nice. You want hard bread, not super hard. And so what you're going to do first, take your olive oil, just drizzle it a little bit. Just mix that around a little. You're going to set it to a decent temperature. Take your mushroom. You're going to cut off the little stem part, and then you're going to place it in there, the top, bottom. Just place it in there a little bit. And then you're also going to take your tomatoes. Don't take them off the vine. Gotta keep them on and just set it in there. And at least that's what he said, so I'm just following his instructions. What you're gonna do next, you're gonna take eggs and crack them inside your pan here. Don't put salt or pepper, or else it'll break them down. I didn't know that. Thanks for the tip, Gordon Ramsay. It's a great tip, actually. I'm just gonna put 3 in, reasonable. So I'm gonna put 3 in, and then some butter. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put this aside, and then just 1 tablespoon. All right, plop it in there. What you're gonna do, you're gonna take your spatula, put it on here, and then just start mixing it. Ooh, and while you're mixing it, same thing. Don't place any don't put any salt or pepper in it, even while you're mixing it, and you gotta keep on mixing it until it just melts. And so when you're mixing, keep on mixing it and just pay attention to it. And while you're mixing, take it off the heat, just mix it around for a little bit. Just mix it for a little bit, off the pan, heat, stove, whatever, and then put it back on the pan. And then mix it. So Gordon Ramsay uses crème fraiche, but we don't have that, so we're just going to use sour cream. So what you're going to do, you're going to take it off, mix it around a little bit. That smells good already. That smells so good. I'm going to take some sour cream, put it in there. Come on. I'm going to put that in there and take some salt and pepper and just go a little bit. Just going to mix it around a little bit. So we're going to keep on mixing and mixing and mixing. Oh, hi there. It's hot. Don't do that. I'm going to mix it and mix it until it sort of looks like this. I'm gonna keep on folding. I'm gonna do that. Make sure you put salt and pepper on this. And so what you're gonna do, you're gonna mix that. This is, it's so good. So what you're gonna do next, you're gonna take your bread, and then you're just gonna slice. And so I'm just gonna scoop this and put it on. And so we're gonna put the scrambled eggs on, and then this is where these come in. And so what you're gonna do, you're gonna take your mushroom. Come here, mushroom. You're gonna take your mushroom, and that's hot. Same thing with your tomatoes. You're just gonna do that and take that and snap off one of them. And you got yourself a meal. And I got one more thing to say before you go. Thank you so much for watching. 2, like. 3, subscribe to join the kitchen crew. And if you want, or you can just subscribe and just like, and turn on the notifications so you know you get notified whenever I upload a video. And 5, high 5. Enjoy your meal. Okay, bye-bye.
Just?
Yep. How would you usually eat it?
Let's go.
Subscribe. Alright, bye-bye. I'm going to have food now.